Fell in love right by the ocean.
There is no doubt that our planet is becoming more and more warm each year. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans began to impact the climate with the increase of fossil fuels and greenhouse emissions. The IPCC has come up with possible scenarios of future climate. The first scenario is business as usual, or RCP 8.5, which portray a high increased rate of fossil fuel use. Due to the increase of fossil fuel, the expected amount of increase is 2.5 to 4.6 degrees Celsius by 2100. This amount of increase will have bad consequences in the future climate.
One of the effects of global warming is wildfires. Wildfires are caused due to the increase of drought and the decrease of snowpacks. Wildfires also affect human communities, and they're a threat to our forest ecosystems, which cause human vulnerability. Another effect that global warming has caused is the melting of ice caps. Ice caps are a region, specifically a polar region, in which it's covered in ice. For instance, Greenland and West Antarctica. If Greenland melts, it is expected for 5 to 7 sea level of water to rise, and if West Antarctica melts, another 5 meters will rise, and this is called the tipping point. Once we reach a point where you can't stop the melting, it's hard to go back to it unless we have a big decrease in heat.
According to the IPCC emissions, they predict that there will be a sea level rise of 0.5 to 1.2 meters by the year of 2100. This happens because as the water warms, it expands. Also, the ice in the mountains will melt, then go to the ocean, causing the sea level rise. For heat waves, they predict that by 2100, the temperature may be exceeded by 4 degrees Celsius, and it is predicted to occur in western US, North America, and also the Middle East.
Almost entirely on petroleum-based fuels, which is gasoline for transport, which is why you should be more cautious when driving and try to carpool as often as you can. Electric cars are 3 times more as efficient as conventional cars.
Deforestation is a huge cause of global climate change. We should plant trees, not cut them. No! Recycle! You're right.
Try not to leave the lights on when you're not using them, as well as the air conditioning. They are both inefficient uses of energy.
With the increase of fossil
Try not to use
Mana!
for transport. Wait, I forgot what I was saying.